In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to edit a WhatsApp poll after creating it. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp and navigate to the conversation where you want to edit the poll. The new poll editing feature make it much easier to fix typing mistakes or improve the wording of your poll without interrupting the conversation. In order to edit the poll, press and hold on it. Now different options will appear. Click on the option Edit. The poll editor will open, allowing you to correct your question text or improve the wording of your poll option. Once you have finished making your changes, tap the check mark or the send button to see the updated version of your poll. The edited poll will then appear in the chat with your changes applied. There are a few important restrictions to remember. First, you can only edit a poll within 15 minutes of sending it. After that time expires, the edit option is no longer available. Also, the editing feature is designed primarily for correcting or clarifying the text of your poll. If more immersive changes are needed after people have already started voting, such as completely replacing the poll or creating different answer choices, you'll need to delete the poll for everyone if possible and create a brand new one instead. And that's it. This way you can easily edit a WhatsApp poll after creating it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.